In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language in Asana. If you prefer working in a different language or you're collaborating with teammates across regions, updating your app language can make everything clearer and more comfortable. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can switch languages with confidence. First, sign into Asana the way you normally would. You can do this from the web in your browser or through the desktop app. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace or organization where you're doing your daily work so the change applies where you need it. Next, look to the top right corner of the Asana interface. Click your profile picture or the account menu. If you don't have a profile photo set, you'll likely see your initials in a small circle. That's the same menu you'll use. Clicking it opens a drop-down with your personal options and app settings. From that menu, open My Settings. Depending on your version, it may be labeled My Profile Settings or simply Settings. This is where Asana stores your personal preferences, including how the interface looks and the language it uses. Inside My Settings, head to the Display section or look for a language option. On some accounts, the language control appears under Display. On others, it may have its own language or language and region area. If you see tabs across the top, click the one that mentions Display or Language to reveal the language controls. Now choose your preferred language from the available list. You'll see a drop-down or set of options that includes the languages Asana currently supports. Pick the one you're most comfortable with. Keep in mind that only the languages shown are available, and once you select one, the interface text, menus, buttons, and system messages will reflect that choice. Finally, save your changes. In many cases, Asana will apply the new language immediately. If you're prompted to reload or if you don't see the update right away, simply refresh the page or restart the app to complete the switch. After reloading, confirm that the interface has updated by checking a familiar menu or button label. That's it. You've successfully changed your language in Asana. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, return to the same settings area and repeat the process. This simple adjustment can make your workflow faster and your team work